Hi, it's Thad with Willoway Nurseries. We're in the first week of March here and just want to talk a little bit about some of the early season as we get into March here. We're looking at early season color. I'm standing with Galaxy Magnolia here. We have the 15-gallon tree form. Real nice trees. Nice purple bud that comes out when they open, and got them trained up really nicely into the central leader. We've got a good supply of them. We have a lot of other types of magnolias as well, some yellows, whites, some with pink blushes, so lots of variety out there to give you early blooming. We're starting to do a little bit with protection as well, or taking off some of the covering or protection that we have on plants. So we're starting this week. Because the weather's kind of broke in March, we're going to be seeing upwards of mid 50s to 60 degrees for highs the next couple days. And the lows are going to be down in like the 40s. So we're kind of turning a corner here on some of the plants. So some of our early plants that we think about taking the protection off are like Amelanchier, which they bloom or the buds come out very early on. And so we want to take the plastic off the house because the plastic will hold the heat in and get them to artificially break early. So we take that off. The Japanese maples, kind of contrary to what you'd think, we actually want them to stay more dormant, so we take the plastic off so they don't break, so we don't have problems with frost protection later. And then another one that we work on is the Thuja plicatas. Most of our Thuja, because we want to make sure we take advantage of getting water to them. They burn real readily this time of year, evergreens do. So it's really important you monitor your evergreens and make sure that they're getting adequate water this time of year, or you'll start to see that winter burn starting to appear in your plants. Hi, it's Thad. We're here with our Green Giant Thuja plicatas. Wanted to talk a little bit about what I had said earlier about the winter and the importance of water. But what you see here, this isn't winter burn. This is their actual color. This kind of bronze cast that they have this time of year is normal for them. Once they start actively growing, you will start to see them start to get that dark green color back again. But it is critically important right now. These are on our outdoor socketed. So when we get rain, natural rain in the spring here, that's what's watering right now because we do not have our pump houses up and running yet. We will be, like I said, taking plastic off. One of the priorities for plastic takeoff on our hoop houses is Thuja plicatas, the crops that are coming on. So those will get that natural rain. We've got a couple days here. They're forecasting some rain, so we want to take advantage of that. So if you do have evergreens that you have under plastic houses, you either have to have some kind of way to water them this time of year, or you have to come up with getting the plastic off or bringing them out of the house to get water to them. We're kind of circling back to give you an update on our clematis crop from Raymond Evans. As you can see, it's a little bit different in here. We've trimmed everything back several weeks ago. We turned the heat up, and now we came back through. You can see they're starting to sprout. All of them they're coming up from the base. That's the time we put the sleeve on, the colored promotional sleeve, Raymond Edmonds, and we put fertilizer in the pot, and then we also do a new bamboo trellis every year, bamboo trellis. This is Corinne, and what we'll do is as this grows up, we'll weave it into the bamboo, but we'll also pinch to get a fuller, nicer plant. And like I said, we'll keep visiting back to this again a little bit about our clematis crop and all the stuff that we put into it. And the Raymond Evans series is one that we really believe in. It's a great program, very large flowers. They specialize breeders out of England. That's what their whole existence is about, clematis and bringing really some of the most beautiful clematis you'll see out there.